Business is booming in the world of AI short videos, AI YouTube Shorts channels, AI TikTok accounts and AI Instagram accounts. They are all coming up like mushrooms. Why? Well, because these AI videos are going mega viral. They rack up tons of views, attract subscribers and followers and generate a lot of money. Plus, they're super easy to make. And in this video, I am going to give you the exact formula on how to create a successful AI channel. Any AI channel you have in mind. Why? Well, to be honest, it was fun while it lasted, but it eventually became quite boring creating a tutorial for every new viral AI channel or account, because the underlying formula is always the same. So are you excited? Well, let's get started. The topic. Oh well, yes, this is a very crucial first step or thing you want to consider. This is what can make or break your AI videos. What is the topic? What will the video be about? What is your niche? Are you going to ride the waves? Or are you going to create new ones yourself? What I mean by that is, are you going to copy viral trends and hope to go viral as well? Or are you going to be creative and come up with a new trend yourself and become a trendsetter? Let's talk about that. You can consider to copy a trend and then hope to go viral yourself. This can work, and it is a good starting point, and you will learn a lot from it. But I would advise to create a whole new trend yourself and become a trendsetter. This will set you free and it will make you happy. If you do not want to completely reinvent the wheel, then you could consider taking a viral trend and tweaking it a bit here and there, like changing the characters and making minor changes. So either take a viral topic and tweak it, or do some brainstorming with or without a chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini. And yes, the risk of trying to create your own wave, your own viral idea, is that it can fail. The fail rate is much higher, but I can guarantee you that it is much more fun than completely copying other people. Simply trust in yourself that you can do it, and you can do it. So for this video, let's also pick a topic. And I just did a 3-second brainstorm, and the topic of our video will be animals eating candy. The reason for this is, well, I just thought about it, and I thought this will be cool. Okay, fair enough. Let's continue now. The prompt. Yes, this is also very important, and it can make or break our video. But for the prompt, we will simply ask a chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini. And for the prompt, I am talking about the image prompt or video prompt to create the AI video. Let's be clear, you can think of creating only AI images and stitching them together, or you can create AI videos. And you can create these AI videos with a prompt, or create them by bringing an AI image to life. But I always like to generate the images and then create the AI videos out of the images. This gives you more control over the output. So let's go to an AI chatbot. I will use Gemini in Google's AI Studio now. So we first tell the chatbot what we are about to do, and then we ask it to help us. So let's write. Hey, I want to create a YouTube Shorts channel that creates viral AI videos of animals eating candy. Please give me 7 image prompts for that. Depending on how long you want your video to be, you can always ask for more prompts, of course. Now, with these image prompts in hand, we come to the next point. Let's copy the first prompt and go to the next stage. The AI images. Now, we will generate the images with AI. We will go to Leonardo AI. It is the best free-to-use AI image generator out there that gives you daily 150 credit. So you can basically generate unlimited images here. Let's add the prompt here. Now on the left, we will select the dimensions. Since we will create short videos for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok, we will pick the 16x9 dimension. Now generate the image. This will take around 20 to 30 seconds. Look at that. Doesn't that look cute? Let's download the one we like most. Let's generate the rest of the images also here. Okay, nice. And since I have a Midjourney subscription, I will also generate the images there. Okay, Okay, it seems that Midjourney has some errors today and I cannot even generate an image here. Maybe it is time to cancel the subscription anytime soon. But let's continue to the next stage now. The AI videos. Yes, now we will use those images we generated in Leonardo AI and bring them to life, so to say, with an AI video generator. And again, yes, we could also ask the AI chatbot to give us prompts to create an AI video and generate the AI video straight away. But this way gives us more control over the output. The AI video generator we are going to use is called Hailuo AI. I love it because the quality is great, and on top of that we can use it for free and we get daily 100 credits, and that means we can generate up to 3 videos daily per account. So, okay, simply upload the AI image. And now you do not have to write anything, but I always like to write what I want to see happening in the video. So let's write something like, cute bunny eating candy. And now generate it. Okay, the only downside is that with the free plan, the waiting times can be very long. But it really depends, because today it was very fast, and the first generation too, like a few minutes, and all the other videos in total were done after like 30 minutes. So let's generate the other videos now. You can also select some camera mode, but that isn't necessary. And yes, you can log out, log in with a new account, and then generate new videos, and then go back and forth to the other account to see the progress. So in a way, you can also unlimitedly generate videos here, but that is a secret between you and me. Once the videos have been generated, download them all, and then it is time for the next step. The editing. Yes, now we're going to cook everything up in a video editing software. And the most easy one to use nowadays is CapCut. But yeah, it comes with a price. Because a while back almost everything on CapCut was free, and slowly they are now making a lot of things like transitions and effects paid. To be clear, I have a subscription here, and I'm loving it. I wouldn't recommend getting a Midjourney subscription, but a CapCut subscription I could vouch for. But if you do not want to pay for anything, you can also consider using DaVinci Resolve. And to be honest, I tried it, but it was too complicated for me. Haha. But okay, let's open a new CapCut project now. Now drag all the videos in there, arrange them in the order you prefer. Now we are going to add some background music. You could consider generating the background music with AI, but to be fair, using famous music will boost your videos even more, so I would not consider this. You can use copyrighted songs doing YouTube Shorts, for example. But since this video is not a short, I will simply pick some copyright-free music from the YouTube audio library. I will search for cute. This one is perfect. Now add it to the project. Next, you could consider adding some sound effects, but I won't do this right now. Now I will add some transitions. Now we will add some filters. Next up, we will add our watermark like this. Since we used Hailuo AI for free, we have a watermark in the right corner. Follow me to get rid of that. Select all the clips and create a compound clip. Now duplicate it and put it on top. Now we will add a lot of blur effect onto the top layer, like 6 times blur. Now we go to the top layer, and then we add a mask and put it on top of the watermark. Add some roundness and feather for an even better look. When you are done, export it in 4K. But wait, here is the bonus. Bonus, adding AI text-to-speech. Yeah, I wanted to take this opportunity to show you how to easily add some text-to-speech to your videos. We will use 11 labs. Choose a voice. Add a random text, or ask an AI chatbot if you are unsure, and then generate it and add it to CapCut.
Wow, this is so amazing. Wow, look at that.
Now let's add it here and there. Now I will generate some captions and choose a nice template. Perfect. Let's export it in 4K. And now the final ingredient. Consistency. See what works and experiment. Yeah guys, if you want to succeed, you need some kind of consistency and drive. Moreover, being passionate is actually the best motivator, or driver that will maybe even discipline you into doing what you want. Because that's what it is all about. I hope this helped and inspired you. Leave a comment, I love to read them. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Here is the end result. Bye.
Wow, this is so amazing. Wow, look at that.